Again and again. The battlefield in Ukraine reminds us that air superiority is no longer decided only by fighter jets screaming across the sky. Sometimes the most dangerous threat arrives quietly, flying low, watching patiently, and waiting for the right moment. In recent days, new footage circulating from the battlefield has revealed something that should make every Air Force planner uneasy. Russian forces are now actively deploying a new reconnaissance drone known as the BM-35, and its targets are not just armored vehicles or artillery positions. These drones are being used to locate and guide strikes against high-value assets. This is a warning about how modern air power is being hunted on the ground before it ever gets a chance to take off. The released video compilation tells a clear and unsettling story. At multiple timestamps, the BM-35 reconnaissance UAV is seen guiding strikes against parked aircraft and radar installations. At the 9-second mark, a Su-27 is identified and targeted. Seconds later, footage shows an F-16, reportedly during a training or preparation phase, followed by a second F-16 strike shortly after. Then again, another Su-27 appears in the crosshairs, but the aircraft are only part of the picture. The same drone footage tracks and designates key Ukrainian radar systems. The P-18MA radar appears repeatedly, struck more than once. The Pelikan 79K6 radar, an important component of Ukraine's air surveillance and air defense network, is also targeted multiple times. Even mobile air defense cover units are not spared, indicating that the BM-35 is not just spotting static targets, but actively monitoring movement patterns and defensive layouts. What makes this particularly concerning is not just the damage shown in the footage, but the implication behind it. These drones are being used for reconnaissance and target selection, feeding real-time data for follow-up strikes. In other words, the BM-35 is acting as the eye that guides the fist. So, what exactly is the BM-35 and why does it matter? Unlike conventional reconnaissance drones that loiter slowly at modest speeds, the BM-35 operates in a different category. It reportedly flies at speeds between 150 and 200 kilometers per hour, 3 to 4 times faster than typical reconnaissance UAVs, which usually cruise at around 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. This speed alone changes the equation. Faster drones reduce reaction time for air defenses, complicate interception attempts, and allow rapid penetration into contested zones. But speed is only part of the story. The BM-35 is equipped with onboard cameras and, critically, Starlink satellite communication. This gives it resilient, long-range, real-time data transmission even in environments saturated with electronic warfare. Where older drones might lose signal or be forced to operate blindly, the BM-35 remains connected, feeding live imagery back to operators and strike units. In practical terms, this means the drone can spot an aircraft on the ground, confirm its identity, track support vehicles and radar coverage, and pass targeting data almost instantly. It is not simply observing, it is orchestrating. To understand the impact, we need to look at what's being targeted. The Su-27 is a highly maneuverable air superiority fighter designed to dominate the skies through speed, agility, and powerful radar. The F-16, while lighter, is one of the most versatile multi-role fighters ever built, prized for its maneuverability and combat flexibility. In the air, both aircraft are extremely difficult to defeat. But the BM-35 is not hunting them in the air. Instead, it targets these jets when they are most vulnerable, on the ground, parked on runways, staged near hangars, or preparing for training and deployment. Even the most advanced fighter becomes a static asset. At that point, maneuverability means nothing. The same logic applies to radar systems like the P-18MA and Pelikan 79K6. These radars form the backbone of early warning and air defense coordination. Once they are located and neutralized, the entire defensive picture begins to collapse. Aircraft lose guidance, air defenses lose situational awareness, and the sky becomes far more dangerous for the defender. At first glance, the idea sounds absurd. How can a small reconnaissance drone destroy jets designed to survive high-speed dogfights? The answer is simple and uncomfortable. The BM-35 does not defeat jets through firepower. It defeats them through timing, information, and exposure. Modern fighter aircraft rely on a complex support ecosystem, radar coverage, ground crews, logistics, and predictable operating patterns. The BM-35 exploits this ecosystem. By flying faster and staying connected via satellite, it can map airfield routines, identify aircraft types, and detect when jets are most exposed. Once a target is confirmed, the drone's job is essentially done. The actual destruction may come later, from missiles, loitering munitions, or long-range precision weapons. But without the BM-35's eyes, those strikes would be blind, inefficient, or delayed. In this sense, the BM-35 turns airbases into transparent spaces. There is no safe moment, no guaranteed concealment, and no assumption of invisibility. What we are seeing here is not just a tactical innovation, but a doctrinal shift. For decades, air power focused on defeating enemy aircraft in the air. Now, the priority is increasingly to neutralize them before they ever take off. Reconnaissance drones like the BM-35 make this possible by collapsing the distance between observation and destruction. For Ukraine, this creates a difficult dilemma. Dispersing aircraft reduces concentration but increases logistical strain. Hardened shelters offer protection but are limited in number. Radar mobility helps, but repeated detection shows that even relocation is no longer a guaranteed solution. For Russia, the BM-35 represents a force multiplier. It allows relatively inexpensive drones to guide strikes against assets worth tens of millions of dollars, reshaping the cost balance of the war. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.